Valency. So what is meant by valency? The capacity of an element to combine is called its valency. The capacity of an elements to combine is called valency. The valency of an element is indicated by specific number. It is number of chemical bonds formed by one atom of that element with another atom. So here for example sodium. So electronic configuration of sodium is 281. Next element, that is the chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17 and atomic number of sodium is 11. See here, the electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. See here, now this sodium having one unpaired electron in their outermost shell or third shell or last shell, and chlorine contain also 7 unpaired electron in their last shell. See here, sodium donate 1 electron. And chlorine accept 1 electron. After donating, the electronic configuration of sodium is 2,8 because sodium having only one unpaired electron in their outermost shell, but it donate 1 electron. So it carries 1 positive charge. Sodium carries 1 positive charge because it donate 1 electron. See here, chlorine require 1 more electron to complete its octet. So it accepts 1 electron from the sodium metal. It carries 1 negative charge. After accepting 1 electron, the electronic configuration of chlorine is 288. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. But it require 1 more electron. It accepts 1 electron from the sodium metal. After that, the electronic configuration is 288. It accepts 1 electron, so it carries 1 negative charge. We can call it as an anion. Also, it is a non-metal. And sodium donate 1 electron to the chlorine atom. The electronic configuration of sodium is 2,8. After donating 1 electron, it carries 1 positive charge. So sodium are called as cation and chlorine are called as anion. Because sodium donate 1 electron, so it carries 1 positive charge. Chlorine accept 1 electron, so it carries 1 negative charge. So sodium atoms gives 1 electron and to form a cation, means sodium cation is formed. The valency of sodium is 1. Okay, why? Because sodium donate 1 electron, so valency of sodium is 1. In case of chlorine, it accepts 1 electron from the sodium metal. It carries 1 negative charge, so valency of chlorine also 1. Valency of sodium is 1 and valency of chlorine is 1. So sodium donate 1 electron to the chlorine and chlorine also require 1 electron, so it accepts electron from the sodium to form a sodium chloride compound. The bond which is present between this atom or this compound is ionic bond. Why it is called an ionic bond? Because formation of ion is there. Transfer of electron from metal to non-metal. The compound is ionic bond. This compound is a salt.